Good morning. Happy Sunday to everybody. Yes, I had a question from Kingston on the website. Oh, excuse me, on in the group. So he want to know what it is the best NAICS code for box truck company that will be riding out of state. So I decided to make a quick video and take you guys through the whole process. So what I did, instead of just telling you how the code that I use, I want to show you how you can get the code for any job, anything you're doing. NAICS code. So it will take you on that. Click on the website. Then when you get, this is where any job that you're doing, that your business is offering or your LLC is offering, if you want to find the government code for it, this is the website where you go. So that you need it. So all I did is just put box truck, or you could do transportation. So to make it easy, when you put the menu, so it will give you few options. And those options is like you basically have to read to find the one that fit best you need. So here we know this is not as specialized freight, trucking local, so that's not local. You want to do long distance, specialized freight, trucking long distance, except use goods. So I did use this one, general, no, truck loads, based on the research that I did when we were applying for our MC. This is for the big truck, like the one that requires CDL and stuff. So this is the one because a box truck is kind of considered as a less than a truckload. So this is the code that I use, 484122. General freight trucking, long distance, less than truckload. So this is that if for somebody who's doing just local, which use this one. So like you say, it will give you the different code that are related to truck and stuff like that. So the main thing is just to check out and pick the one. So if you wanna have more information or read more about it, you click on it and it will give you all the criteria and stuff like that. You know, and it will give you the main, like here, the top businesses and that thing. So I hope one of us is gonna be one day there on that list. All right, so basically the code, did I click on less than truckload? That's what I was. Yes, this is less than truckload. See, you can get all the information about it. Wow, FedEx is the second one. Interesting. Okay, so the code is 484122. All right, here your answer, sir. I love researching about stuff. That's why I did this group. I mean, this is my thing. Try me, tell me something that you want to find out, and I will find the information. But all right, that was like okay, another example. We're gonna get in detail about that. Like if you're doing like me, I do braiding. So if I wanna get the code that is related to braiding at the braiding salon. So beauty salon, nail industry, all the stuff. So this is a code that is more appropriate to me because it cover everything. It cover everything that we do, racing, So basically, when you need to find the code, this is the website to come to. All right, I hope this little video helped, and thank you for watching.